So the site here is the First Nations Pedagogy online resource, and I wanted to show you the site map, specifically about the community circles piece here under the project topic. What I found most important about this particular site, since it was co-created, was wondering exactly how they received and were able to get the information that they did to build such a valuable resource. And as I was searching through, I realized that they took and did 2 community circles. So they had 2 Aboriginal community gathering sessions to collect input on this resource, which I think is so incredibly crucial to be able to take the input and the history and the lived experiences of the Aboriginal communities so that they can create a resource that is authentic, it's realistic, and it invites you to understand exactly what is important to these varying First Nations communities and peoples. And so what I found as I was scrolling down here is this particular quote here, that mainstream schools tend to teach anxiety and fear. This does not support anyone, but is especially detrimental to First Nations peoples. I think that this is such a key piece of information that we need to take into account is the impact of mainstream societies, schools, education, and how that really is impacting First Nations peoples. Additionally, this one right below, the First Nations coordinator shared that the Cree Nation teaches one to sit back and to listen and to not run ahead of oneself. It is a challenge to do this within a mainstream institution and world. And I think that we get caught up in technology specifically and the fact of not running ahead of oneself. Technology is there, as we've been told, to make life easier, to get things done faster. We don't have the old dial telephones where you have to touch the number, ring it around in a circle, have it click back. Go to the next number, ring around in a circle, have it click back. The technology evolved to touch-tone phones where you're just pressing the number, and then it evolved again to voice dialing where you just have to say the number. Then it's voice dialing where you just have to say someone's name, and the technology knows who you want to call and does it for you. It's all about making life easier. But was it not easier before as well? Why are we not sitting back and listening and being present and living in the now and reflecting back on history and experiences? And so I look at this and I see how crucial it is to understand the impact of mainstream education as it relates to our First Nations peoples and our Indigenous communities. So this site is definitely one that I have already learned so much from, and I would invite anyone to take a look at this. You can see all of the different pedagogies here that are important to our Indigenous peoples. There are some participation opportunities here, some resources that are available as well, and I really look forward into diving more into this topic as we go along.